This is Dan Pincus with It Makes Sense. We are here to talk to you about how to make some money, how to stop losing money, and how to make sure you're not wasting money. And most importantly, make your money work for you. If you're not putting your money to work, you're losing money. That's what this program is about, to help you make more money in the most simple and easy ways possible. So let us start the program by talking about some basic common sense items. For instance, when you put your money in a checking account, it's making 0 to maybe, if you're lucky, 2 or 3% interest. Is that the way you want to make money? Every $100 gives you what, $2 a year? That's not going to make you any money. So we have to find ways to actually make that money work for you. Let's say that you put $100 a month and you put it into the stock market. The average stocks over a period of time will make you between 8 and 10% a year. And let's assume at the end of the year you put over $1,000 away, but it's going to compound, which that makes it even bigger money that you're going to be making. Another example is when people look at your credit cards. You have high interest rate loans, you have low interest rate loans. Always pay off your high interest rate loans first so you're paying lower interest rate and you can save more of your money. You don't want to be giving all your money away. You want to keep as much as you can. So here are just some simple ways we're going to be showing you throughout this program how we can make you money, save you money, and put more dollars in your pocket. We really appreciate you being here on the program. We hope you will like it, share it, and subscribe to it. And let me just tell you, it makes sense.